morning, everybody. My name's Cheese. Welcome to my special garden. Today, we're going to be cooking a gourmet meal. It's going to be delicious, no cap. Let's check out our ingredients. We got a burger bun, some spinach, some raw hot dogs, and some spicy guacamole. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started. This is our bun. We love these because we can make so much stuff with it. Yeah, so we're going to start with our spinach. Plop it right down there. Look at that juicy goodness. Sounds already so delicious. Then let's get a hot dog. Alright, we got a hot dog. Let's place it on. Let's get our guacamole. Just put a little bit. That's delicious. Okay. Which put on the top. Let me just make it pretty. Come on, special guest Taquito. Guys, we have a special guest, Taquito. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Okay, take. Smell. Smell deliciousness. I feel it. How are you eat it? First bite, eat it. I'm gonna go for the one right here. It's a big bite. What's the difference? Yeah. Yeah, actually good. It's okay. One bite? Okay. Oh. Okay, guys. Make sure to make this at home. No, definitely don't make this at home. Yeah, make it at home and post a YouTube video about it. Nope. It's so good. It's disgusting. Try it now. Yeah. Bye.